Thank God they added these fucking cheat code fucking weapons to this game.
No kidding.
Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in and secure the area quickly. Move cautiously. Suspects may have placed traps.
No eyes?
Yep, I think it's beyond this fucking thing here to the left. Crossing left. What are you shooting, guy?
He's at the shooting gallery trying to win the prize.
Police, get down!
Got one.
You good?
Come out now!
I'm getting this fucking
Get down now!
stinky in here.
Element to talk. Suspect standing by for transport.
My friends are still here.
Lead, this is Talk. Move on.
Ma'am, we can smell them. Do not worry.
Oh yeah, we know. Baking some sourdough.
Lead to talk. We have an individual in custody.
Talk to Element. Trailer standing by.
Behind you.
Hands up! Don't move! Stay away from the gas!
No
No
eyes?
eyes, that's on behind.
Get down and put your hands up! Down on the
I
ground!
flashed him twice.
Drop the gun!
He's doing it down.
Put your fucking hands up!
Checking right.
Target located.
I hear somebody right.
Got him.
Hands up! Don't run
Push
or
him, I'm gonna get this guy. Stuck? Stuck on a stroller? That's
Stroller,
good.
good stroller. They don't make them like they used to.
Drop it and put your hands up!
Please, I'm gone. I'm gone.
Move!
Okay?
Team to talk.
We
have
warned
a
you.
suspect in custody.
Get to beat this guy.
Fuck you are.
Keep
Beast
going.
on bullshit.
Element to talk.
Police brutality.
Talk here. Trailer's en route.
Look at him. Walking like they on the block.
With you.
Visual on the target. Approaching from the southern end.
Bonking.
Immediate clear. Right clear.
I got two and then I gotta reload.
Talk. Weapon on sight.
Weapon safe.
Talk to entry team.
Oh,
Forensics
sorry.
notified.
Outboard.
Sorry.
Let me just have a peek over here.
Sounds good. I'm going to the haunted house. I'll turn my night vision on.
No eyes.
I don't know. Was that gunshots or was that haunted house noise?
That could have been a haunted house noise, now that I think of it.
Doors open out in the haunted house?
Oh my god. Okay.
Put your hands
Fuck,
up!
I flashed myself.
Police!
That's
Hands
alright.
up! LSPD! Hands up! Hands on your head!
Believe the haunted house was clear?
You guys got a fucking M14?
Element to talk.
Jealous.
Suspect standing by for transport.
Talk to
Actually,
lead.
no.
Trailer's
Well,
notified.
it's not what it is.
Dropping a light.
Maybe it is, actually. Yeah, no, I was right. M14.
Makarov and M14. Must be a big fan of fucking
Turn around
Vietnam
and
War.
stay still.
Oh, they were definitely doing appropriate stuff in mayonnaise.
Hands up now!
No, I'm bleeding.
Entry team.
Securing the
Talk.
trap.
Trailer's ready.
No, fucking put your tourniquet on, asshole! What are you doing, man? Alright, I'm good.
Are you still in the haunted house?
Yeah, I stepped out and got fucking blasted. I'm coming out the front door.
I am around the back, so I will meet you up front.
Somebody was shooting me near the merry-go-round. I'm in the diner, the classic
me?
burgers.
I think I went through the back of that. I'll meet you in there.
Sounds good.
I'll be coming through the back door.
Good back. And flashbang?
No, no bang.
Police! Hands in the air!
Hang on, just screaming at the door. Blocked.
Oh shit.
Fucking left.
Ah, of course. He shoot through the window.
LSPD, get down
I
now!
flashed him.
Let me see those hands! Now, it's over! Give yourself up!
Some fucking
Someone
escaped.
straight.
Fucking ran fucking left. What the hell's going on?
I got one left and run right.
I'm watching the one far over your shoulder.
Alright, you watch far. I'm gonna get this guy.
Turn around.
There's a civilian that ran through here too. Be careful.
Lead to talk.
Alright, got one
Suspect in
here.
custody. Compliant.
He's arrested.
Got another one of the fucking bumper cars.
Police, don't move!
They're down too.
I'm coming.
Turn
Stand
around.
by.
Don't get up.
Sounds good. I'm good. I got them all at fucking launcher point.
Entry team to talk.
Ammo check. That's good, because I'm out.
Elements, this is Talk. Continue
I'm
mission.
gonna get bumper cars.
Should be right there. I'm arresting this guy. You got him.
Policia!
Yep.
Dang, always gotta go extra, huh?
Lead to talk. Suspect good to go.
Nice.
There we go. Over the chaos.
I know he's in
Enter
front
team
of
to talk.
civilian.
Civilian good to go.
Talk reporting.
Ooh, which is good because I have 2 rounds left.
We'll reach your house up next. Just watch.
Now we gotta find all the civilians and then the random caches.
LSPD!
There's 2 civilians in here.
In?
LSPD, don't move!
Yeah, she's not.
relax,
She's not
alright?
letting us in.
Hands in the air!
Okay, okay.
Police, get down!
For our safety.
You're
I'm
okay.
resistant down.
Element to talk. We have a civilian.
I didn't do
ready.
anything.
Talk to lead.
Element to
UV,
talk.
keep them coming.
Civilian ready for
Where?
transport.
Talk to entry team. Roger, trailers inbound.
Securing
Pull
the
up my iPad real quick. Play a quick round of Angry Birds. Missing civilians. still.
Absolutely. Yep.
What a medal?
Favorite part of the game right here. Find the fucking bitch that's hiding somewhere.
Get down now! LSPD,
Yeah, with all of
don't move.
the
Hands up.
bodies all over the
No, as
place.
soon as I get down, you're gonna shoot. I didn't do anything,
I
alright?
got one over here.
Stay calm for me, all right?
Please be the last one. A
Here
priest?
you go.
Wrong guy.
Talk. Civvy is ready.
Talk reporting. Keep going.
No cigar?
No, I got another one too that I think was down from before.
Moving to the south side.
His butthole's bloody.
Don't move!
He was so scared that he shit blood.
Civilian restrained.
Over this!
Lead
Been there.
Civilian is secured.
Are you serious? There's more?
Visual confirmed. Target on the move. South.
You gotta help the other.
Target on the move
Got one
south.
here.
I can't see my fucking watch.
Got 2 here.
Protocol.
The guy's dead.
To talk. Civilian
Ah.
good to go for evac.
Yeah, I thought he was just crouching.
This is Talk. Trailers on the way.
Take his debit card. There's an ATM here.
Visual confirmed. Target on the move. West.
Target spotted west.
I can't see my fucking
Big dog,
watch.
Doc.
I know, I can't see my fucking watch to fucking see which way west is.
Nope.
I guess I could look on the map.
Fucking big.
Come on, bring
Oh,
your
got
iPad
me here.
up. There's no compass rose on this
Entry team
map.
to talk. Civilian standing by for trailers.
Talk here.
Still fucking more? No wonder there's so many dudes on the last map. Ah! I shot you with my empty
Totally.
gun.
Yeah, mine is not empty.
fuck is this goddamn asshole? Apparently this guy's gonna see me in hell.
Apparently.
He probably ran into the haunted house.
Oh, found one. Okay, come here. Come here, goddammit.
Damn it, we heard it.
Stop running, asshole.
I heard that grenade.
Leave this to Doc.
Oh
Hey,
my
there it
god,
is.
fucking finally!
The rat.
Hey, there it is.
Give me that motherfucking S, bitch.
Bought and paid for.
Give me that motherfucking S, bitch.